Dodge Ram van, 1987. That is
spark plugs doesn't look easy,
something else.
670 horse at the back.
670 horse?
13 pounds of boost.
At 13 pounds of boost.
And the motor's good for 20.
Is that on the dyno horsepower?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's impressive.
At the track, 1088 at 132.
That's not bad.
Say it's about 600.
600?
Yeah.
Oh, phenomenal.
Yeah, trap times in the quarter mile is about 124.
120.
miles per hour.
Wow.
So that's about 500 to the wheels, which is about 600 at the crank.
Right. Is it Nag 1 tranny?
Nag 1, I built that too.
You swapped out the what did you do? The 6.1, yeah.
It's the original block.
Yeah.
Board and stroke, studded, forged, boarded heads.
He ain't playing around,
19
eh?
pounds of boost.
He is not playing around.
Lower cam.
Wow. Are you pulling? You're pulling down to the intake's pulling down all the way down there. Eh?
Yeah, the air filter's down here. Yeah.
Right.
Cold air right off the front of the thing.
You built it yourself.
Yep.
Phenomenal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. 6.1 block. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good for 1,000 horse.
Oh, you actually made it a 426.
Yeah. Board and stroke.
Wow. Great build, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Great build, man. That's the one right there. That's the one. Wow.
I like it.
670 horse at the back.
670 horse?
13 pounds of boost.
At 13 pounds of boost.
And the motor's good for 20.
Is that on the dyno horsepower?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's impressive.
At the track, 1088 at 132.
That's not bad.
Oh yeah.
It's a stick.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
This wasn't automatic, it'd be a lot faster.
Yeah.
But that's a lot of speed too in a quarter.
Amazing. Wow. 200 passes.
At least 200, yeah.
At least 200.
It's 200. So it's a base 5.7 block. I took the original motor out.
Yeah.
I bought another 5.7.
You bought another 5.7.
Just the block.
Yeah. How much was that?
$300 from the wreckers.
Oh yeah, it's the block. Yeah, fair.
Yeah.
They're a dime a dozen. And then I had a belt, so it's a Shulker kit
Yeah.
from MMX.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's a 392 with
Wow.
Monar crank rods,
Yeah.
and pistons are 2618, 9.5.
Okay.
Forge
That's
for boost, right?
Yeah.
No compression for boost.
Yeah.
Boarded heads,
Wow.
headers,
Everything.
custom gram cam,
Yeah.
6-speed manual. It's got a
Wow. Did you do any rear end work?
McLeod dual disc clutch.
Yeah.
The SS drive shaft, one piece.
Okay.
Hellcat half shafts.
Jeez. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what year is this thing?
2009.
It's a 2009?
I bought it brand new and all.
So, it's an original 2009 when they first came out, eh?
I still have the original motor at home.
Yeah.
Right?
Amazing.
And I run a drag setup, 17-inch.
Where'd you pick these up? Like, did you order them up, or
I
is there?
ordered it from the States.
Yeah.
And then a Mickey Thompson 305.
Those are an amazing
and a
setup.
skinny at the front.
Yeah. Oh, right.
Right? So you want to run lightweight as much as you can, right?
Yeah. The exhaust. What do you got?
MBRP 3-inch.
MBRP 3-inch, right?
3-inch, yeah.
You don't see these with MBRP.
And I'm running
Right?
cats.
No.
And I'm running cats.
And we were running cats
Yeah, I'm
because
running cats.
you love the environment, right?
That's right.
Exactly.
Well, you know what? With catless, you don't really gain much.
Yeah.
No.
You get more sound.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
You don't really gain much. And this was built by Chrysler Hemi in Detroit.
So did you send the car there? Did you go there?
The car there.
You shipped the car there?
Yeah, over the winter.
Yeah, yeah.
And they built it for me, and then they shipped it.
Did you use like a truck or a train?
Transportation.
Transportation?
Send it in December, and I got the car back first week in April.
First week in April?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad.
That was 3 years ago.
Why not? Because it's either in storage or it's being built.
Yeah.
That's not a bad prospect.
So the body itself
Yeah.
has 79,000 kilometers,
Yeah.
and the motor has about 10,000, and probably about 200 passes at the track.
200 passes?
At least 200.
Wow.
It's quiet. It's
Borla?
Borla.
Borla, yeah.
Yeah.
Catback?
4 Borla mufflers. American Racing long tube headers.
4 Borla?
Yes.
You didn't want to go eight mufflers?
Yeah. This is the quiet system.
Oh, it's the quiet system.
This is the quiet
You
system.
didn't want to get in trouble, that's why, right?
It's loud now.
Yeah, 100%. How much horsepower?
I'm gonna say it's about 600.
600?
Yeah.
Oh, phenomenal.
Yeah. Trap times in the quarter mile is about 124.
120.
miles per hour.
Wow.
So that's about 500 to the wheels, which is about 600 at the crank.
Right. Is it Nag 1 tranny?
Nag 1, I built that too.
Yeah. What'd you do with the Nag 1 tranny?
So it's got 9 clutches in the K2. It's
9 clutches?
9 clutches. It originally
Dang.
came with 5. It's now got 9.
Yeah.
It's a modified piston.
Wow.
I mean, the stock components on it are the timing cover and the transmission case.
Amazing.
That's about it.
I love it. This is, and the 2 intakes. I've never seen that.
Twin intake.
Twin intake.
Twin intake. It's made by the guy's name was Cams. We call it Cam take.
Yeah. Cam.
So
Amazing.
it's got twin snorkels and really cool. In the wheel wells, they're 6-inch by 9-inch cone filters.
Right.
So they're about like this long.
Are they
Goes
bagged
right
too?
up.
You put bags over them, or?
There's no bags on them.
No,
I just put new ones on it.
Yeah.
And we just brought this thing. It'd been sitting for forever. We put it in. We drove it to Detroit and now here.
Amazing.
Yeah.
How long did it take you?
The drive was 9 hours to Detroit.
9 hours?
Yeah.
You could probably do it in 4 though, right?
Past the gas station.
Past the gas station. So 4 mufflers on this quiet one, eh?
Yeah.
So and cats, yeah. Amazing. I love this build.
Thanks.
It's great. Did you do any work on the rear end?
It's the rear end is an 09 Challenger 226 Getrag. It's got modified clutches in it. They're C6R Corvette clutches.
Wow.
So instead of having, to spin one wheel in a limited slip, there's clutches to stop it from happening.
Really?
Go around a corner.
Yeah.
Normally it takes like 75 foot-pounds of torque on one wheel to make the other go around.
Yeah.
Now this one's over 200.
Over 200.
So it will technically drive with one broken axle.
Gotcha. There you go. Dodge Ram van. 1987. Phenomenal. Oh. That is
spark plugs doesn't look easy
something else. Look at that.
That's just beautiful. Like I like, man.
Yeah. That's crazy. Like it's shoved right in there, eh?
It's almost like mid-engine actually.
Spark. Oh. Wow. Roll cage and everything. Woo. This is the one. This is the one. I know. They started playing music again. Look at that. La 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 la. Don't copyright. La la.
Friends still.
Is it? How much?
18.5.
18,000?
19.5.
Half of that's just the motor.
It's got 727 on it. 490 rear end.
That's crazy. All right, there's the number.
It's a 4-lane.
Give them a call. The motor is worth just that right there.
Not that much.